Pattern writing. In this module, you will learn pattern writing. Patterns. Hello children, let us learn to draw some lines and curves. Standing lines. First, let us learn to draw standing lines. Look carefully. These are drawn like this. Trace the pattern. Sleeping lines. Now, let us draw sleeping lines. Here is how we draw these lines. Trace the pattern. Slanting lines from left to right. Next, we will learn to draw slanting lines. First, we will draw slanting lines from left to right. Trace the pattern. Slanting lines from right to left. Now, let us see how to draw slanting lines from right to left. Trace the pattern. Up and down lines. And here is how we draw up and down lines. Trace the pattern. Upward curves. We will now learn to draw some curves, starting with the upward curve. The upward curve is drawn like this. Trace the pattern. Downward curves. Let us now see how to draw the downward curve. We draw it like this. Trace the pattern. Curves to the right. We will now draw the curve to the right. It is drawn like this. Trace the pattern. Curves to the left. Next, draw the curve to the left. We draw it this way. Trace the pattern. Circles. Lastly, we will learn to draw a circle. First, draw a curve to the left. Then draw a curve to the right. And what we get is a circle. Trace the pattern. In this module, you have learnt to draw lines and curves like standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines from left to right, slanting lines from right to left, up and down lines, upward curves, downward curves, curves to the right, curves to the left, and circles.